This simple anti-snoring trick can change your life. If you snore, you need to see this. Snoring is actually caused by your jaw falling back, causing the soft tissue to vibrate while you breathe. Check this out. Now, watch what happens when I move my jaw forward. You can literally feel your airway open up when you move your lower jaw forward. This is Z-Quiet, a mouthpiece that helps you stop snoring as soon as you put it in. See how the part where your bottom teeth go in is pushed out past the top part? It basically holds your lower jaw forward while you sleep, which opens up your airway and stops you from snoring. It took a night or two to get used to it, but since using Z-Quiet, I've stopped snoring altogether, and I'm getting the best night's sleep of my life. Z-Quiet is FDA cleared and doctor recommended, and it's been featured on Fox and NBC. If you're ready to stop snoring, you need to give Z-Quiet a try.